Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. How are you today? Good? Alhamdulillah. Hello, good morning. Wake up, wake up, wake up soon. Ring, 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 ring. Morning bells are calling you. Hello, my father. Hello, my mother. Good morning, everybody. How are you? Just fine. Good morning, everybody. How are you? Just fine. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, everybody. How are you? Just fine. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? Okay, everyone, do you still remember what letter is this? A, good. And then B, C. Okay, the red one is B, and the yellow one is A, and the blue one is C. Okay, now look at this. How about this one? Who knows what letter is this? Yes, this is letter D. D. Okay, I'll stick here. This is letter D. Okay, D is for... Look at this. Who knows what animal is this? Yes, dolphin. Okay, can you spell dolphin, please? Come on, follow me. D. O, L, P, H, I, N. Good, dolphin. Okay, the first letter is D. Yes, D is for dolphin. Okay, second picture is what's this? Yes, this is drum. Okay, let's spell D, R, U, M. Drum. Okay, the first letter is D. Good. Okay, D is for dolphin, and then D is for drum. Okay, next letter. What letter is this? E. E. Okay, this is letter E. Okay, E for... What animal? Oh, yes, this is elephant. Let's spell E, L, E, P, H, A, N, T. Elephant. E, L, E, P, H, A, N, T. Elephant. E, N, elephant. The first letter is E. Good. E for elephant. And the second picture is yummy. What's this? Egg. Yes, this is egg. Good. Let's spell E, G, G. E for egg. Good. Okay. Okay. I'll stick here. E for elephant and E for egg. Good. The third letter. Next, what letter is this? F. Okay, F. The sound is okay. F is for... What's this? Yes, this is fire truck. Okay, let's see. The first letter is F. Okay, let's go together. F, I, R, E, T, R, U, C, K. Fire truck. F is for fire truck. Okay, the second picture is flower. Yes, F is for flower. Let's spell F L O W E R. Flower. F is for flower. Okay, let's do from D. Okay, what letter is this? D. D is for dolphin. Good. D is for drum. Yes. And then E. E is for elephant. And then E is for egg. Yes. Okay. And then next. What letter? F. F is for fire truck. And then F is for flower. Yay. Good. Okay. Now, can you close your eyes, please? Close your eyes, please. Close your eyes. And 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes. Okay, let's see. What letter is this? D. Okay, D is for something missing here. What picture is missing here? Start from D. Yay! Dolphin. Great. D is for dolphin. Okay, now close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close, 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 close. And open. E is for elephant. And then E is for something missing. What picture here? What picture is missing here? E for elephant. And then E is for yay, good. E is for egg. Yay, great. And then last. What letter is this? F. F is for fire truck. And close your eyes. Close your eyes and open. F is for fire truck. And F is for what's this? Good. Flower. Yay. F is for fire truck. And then F is for flower. Great. Okay, what letter is this? E. And then D. And then F. Good. One more time. D, E, F. Let's go faster. D, E, F. D, E, F. What letter is this? E. Good. D, E, F. What letter? D. D, E, F. What letter is this? F, E, F, D, E, D, F, D, E, F. Good. Now close your eyes again. Close your eyes, please. Close, 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 and open. What letter is missing? D, blah, 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 F. After D and before F is yay! E. Good. D, E, F. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. And open. What letter is missing? Before E? Yay! D. Good. D, E, F. Close your eyes. Close, 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 close. And open. What letter is missing? F. Yes. Good. D, E, F. D is for dolphin. D is for drum. E is for elephant. E is for egg. F is for fire truck. And then F is for flower. Yay! Great job! Good job, everyone. Okay, thank you for today. Don't forget to the letter. Okay. See you next time. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Good night. Good night. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Goodbye. Goodbye. See you. See you. Bye-bye.